Wait, can you stay down for a moment? I found a thing that says sorry. I think it's very crucial that we own it. Are you still down? You're still down, right?
I'm not gonna touch it.
I'm still new.
No
Well, whatever, I'm dropping it down anyway.
way!
It's by a tree. I saw where it landed. You can't push me.
I can walk you.
No! Come on! That's not fair!
Why can you push me? Why can you push
I'm stronger. There aren't even any students. Where'd they all go? That was pretty good. I like your child laughing impression.
That was a child?
I don't know, it was probably Miss Fritz.
I thought it was
Miss Frizzle. Miss Frizzle.
Fritz.
I forgot what the show was.
I remember when I was here, I grabbed the golden broom and it doesn't touch anything. It just repels.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah! What souvenir from the museum should we take? Both the golden things, right?
Yeah.
Wait, no, I threw a head down earlier, but I don't know where it went.
That sucks for you.
It's like, no, I fell out of the window with it and I dropped it, and then I don't know where I just remember dropping it on the dumpster side.
Still sucks for you.
It does, and I'm gonna throw these down. That doesn't bounce, right?
It's sparkling.
Oh, it bounced. I have no idea where that just went.
Throw it out.
We're throwing everything out?
Might as well.
Oh, yeah, there was the head of some Roblox character, and I fell out this window with it, and I don't know where it went. Oh, peace out. I'll be right back.
Okay, goodbye. Put it in.
I caught it. Fun slide. You made me bounce.
Ha. He. Me.
Alright, I placed him perfectly again. Where are you?
Where'd my broom go?
Is it in the museum? Oh.
Yeah.
You're really savoring this moment. Yeah! Let's go fight the boss!
We got boss music!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, I broke a window. What a jerk. It's not like I would
You're
never.
right.
That's him breaking a window. Oh my gosh.
I know, right? Why would we take the effort to climb all the way back up?
Wait, do we? Right? I did you take the effort to climb all the way up?
I mean, one of us
Why
had
did I wait for
to.
you?
Why did you wait for me? Why'd you let me climb up? Alright, boss music. Hey, the hell's already going down. That's crazy.
Why, man? It's not down
I
here.
know, I wonder why. It's so weird. Whoa, no, please, no, not that's fast. Where am I? I'm down. We need to broom.
Yeah.
We need to broom. That's why we need to broom.
I don't need a broom. You need a broom.
Am I under the table now? I didn't crouch. Help. This is why you need to broom.
I don't need to broom.
You do, you keep slipping.
I'm fine. You need
Where are the brooms?
Lie down.
Where are the brooms? No brooms.
There's a broom.
Oh, hey, a broom. I wonder what that's for. Help! No. No. No, help.
You suck, man.
Where'd my broom go? Where'd the broom go? Just stay near a hard surface whenever the wind starts coming.
I don't think it's wind, by the way.
I don't know what is. I don't know what it is. It's a very murky wind. There's air pollution. Help! Hey, you know what we gotta do?
What?
Break these windows.
Oh. Oh, but it's summoning wind. Get up, get up.
What? Oh, okay. Help!
You almost failed.
Uh-huh. This is why I try to sweep things.
Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away.
That's why you gotta sweep.
Help, 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 help,
Oh,
help,
oh,
help,
oh,
help,
oh,
help,
oh, bye.
help, help.
Almost. So close yet so far. Ow, help, I can't see. It's inside me. Spritz it! I didn't mean to roll. I didn't mean to roll
I
again.
rolled too.
I didn't mean to roll again. I keep rolling. It's a bad habit of mine. Help.
Where's my gun? There it is.
Oh. Why do I keep... Someone sweep.
You sweet. You want it done so badly.
I do, because we keep falling and you wonder why. Help. No, no, no. Help. Broom. Ah! No!
Oh, I win.
Me for the sake of the broom.
I got it.
I get to kill the boss this time, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Look, see, now we're fine.
Oh, you wanna kill the boss or something?
Yeah, help! I'm trying to get the thing. No, I get to sprint it.
You can't reach it from here.
Stop spraying it, just in case.
Okay.
Like, now he's sad.
Now I have to think of water for again.
Now there's water everywhere again. Whee! Stop it!
You look at it then.
Yeah! I did it.
I did it.
And they explode!
Hey, you did it. I don't know why or how that monster attacked us, but it's gone now. Who?
Who?
Smage being called kid.
Is that her dad?
I don't know, maybe.
He's a turnip.
I'm Cherry.
You're adopted.
Oh.
Thank you, Mr. CEO of Rebel Co.
Thank you, Mr. CEO. You're so amazing, Mr. CEO of Rebel
Anything for you, Mr. CEO of Rebel Co.
Of course, Mr. CEO of Rebel.
Thank you for the $20, Mr. CEO of Rebel Co.
Thanks, Mr. CEO of Rebel for the $20.
Yes, we would
Yes.
like to go to Big Fort, Mr. CEO of Rebel Co.
Of course, Mr. CEO of Rebel. I'd love to go with you.
Anything for you, Mr. CEO of Rebel
Of
Co.
course, Mr. Rebel CEO.
Mr. Rebel Co.
No, you've mistake me. Mr. Rebel CEO.
Mr. Bribble CEO.
Rebel.
Bribble Kyo.
Rib.
The end. Phew. You whistled on the tune.
What's this, ready? Of course. 0% clean.
Why do we have water bars?
I found 18 different cassettes. I broke so many windows.
42 windows were broken.
42 windows.
Ooh.
Ready
But
to
what if
fly?
those overlapped? You know? Where am I? It's just... Oh, why am I staring up?
Oh, 2 cassettes right here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Wait.
pick up that one. You suck at this.
Victory, what'd you get?
A job well done.
You know what I get for being last? To immediately change out your... Oh, where'd it go? Dude, where'd your cassette go? What?
Look at that.
Look, I placed my bear back again.
Put it delicately somewhere.
Dude. This goes right next to the bear.
Understood.
No, Apple, I didn't want you. Why? What is this? Me.
Come here. Found another cassette. Come here.